Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. The landscape of SEO is shifting towards a zero-sum dynamic, underscored by zero-click SERPs that present answers directly atop Google's search outcomes. User search intent is fulfilled without necessitating engagement with any actual search result links. It's a well-established fact within the SEO realm that failing to secure a position on page 1 can hinder your success in the organic search arena. A recent analysis underscores that the initial free rankings in organic search accrue more than 50% of the click-throughs, while a substantial portion, up to 30%, of outcomes on page 1 and page 2 evade any clicks at all. So what does this mean? Well, it means 3 things. 0 clicks results win. If you're not on page 1, you need to be. There are still too many instances when a user types a search query and can't find exactly what they're looking for. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.